Yeah, hi. Yeah, actually, I want to know, like, I have an issue with the claustrophobia. Like, I can't travel in the lift or in the aeroplane, or I can't go into the local room because it's all, I feel suffocated. So, is there any remedy for the claustrophobic issue?
Yes, there is. You can take Mimulus. Mimulus is for the fear of height. And
Okay.
Mimulus is for domestic fears. Mimulus is for all the fears you know.
Okay.
So
So,
Mimulus
I
is
can
the.
take only Mimulus.
Yeah, of course, the other things also you need to take. You are carrying a trauma. You are
Okay.
carrying a trauma since long.
But
You,
I don't remember
yes,
anything like that.
traumas you will never remember. Only if it is a
Okay.
recent trauma you remember. So traumas, there are many types of traumas. There are birth traumas, there are womb traumas, there are early childhood traumas, there are incident traumas. That's something you were expecting to happen in your favor and it did not happen. Or something happened very suddenly. So generally when we talk about trauma, then sudden is the keyword. So something suddenly, some sudden setback has come into your life and you're carrying that particular trauma. So you need to
Okay.
heal for your trauma. And for that, the Star of Bethlehem is a good remedy to heal your trauma. And for the fear, it is Mimulus. You need to look into. And Mimulus. Mimulus is the name of the
Okay.
batch flower. Yes. And is there anything else which, along with this, which you would like to ask?
Like for the claustrophobic issue, also Mimulus will help me.
Claustrophobia is like you're feeling kind of choked up.
Yeah.
So in that, you can take agrimony and cherry plum. These are the two things which can help you,
Okay.
along with Mimulus.
Okay, because it's not only height, it's a closed room basically. It can be done in a room or in a washroom also because it's all closed. So it's not only on a height, it's anywhere.
Yes, I got it. I got it. So
Okay,
these things you can try, these remedies, and then accordingly,
fine.
yeah.
Thank you, Silky,
Okay.
for
Of
joining
course,
us.
then,
Thank
of
you
course,
so
at a
much.
deeper level, when I do a detailed consultation, I would be probably able to shed more light. But in whatever little time is there, I think these are the things. But then you're carrying something beyond this also.
Okay.
Just work on that. Look
Thank
into
you.
that.